Hello traders, welcome to EME Forex Educational YouTube channel. This is a place where traders come to get educational content relating to trading, also share nuggets, and also we keep it simple in this channel. So in today's video, we're going to be uh, running through an in-depth analysis as we head towards a new month, and also a short recap of trades taken with the community on our Telegram channel. So if you're not part of our Telegram channel, it's free. Would be a good time to check the video description and be part of our Telegram community. We'll have lots of exciting stuff that happened during the course of this month of May. We had our students passing their funding challenge. We also had lots of students making withdrawals, sending the screenshots and flipping of our trading accounts. We keep it simple basically, and also do well to subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on your notifications so that you'll be on the loop of updates like this, and not to miss on any of our videos once they are rolled out. So let's get down to the video. All right, so we're inside of my screen right now. Let's hop on to trading view. So yeah, we're inside of trading view now, and Euro USD was the first trade setup that was shared with the community. We shared the signal before the market opened the London section for that day, and we took this trade right about here, and the volatility kicked in, and this is one of those trades that you take and it goes straight into profit. And this was a quick scalp. We had about 28 pips on this one, and the markets pulled back, and we're able to liquidate some of our positions before it came back to our entry. So if we play this, you'll see how price gave us this huge move, and was retracing back to our entry. But however, we got off with good amount of profits on this one. So more interesting is what we had on NDX USD. So NAS 100 USD gave us multiple trade entry for this month, and we took lots and lots of profit of NAS 100. This trade was shared with the community. We took the first one, we took the second one, though the second one was shared with just the exclusive community, and we took the third one as well. So all of this trade was shared with the community, and this gave us the most insane move and profit amongst all. So let's quickly take a look at this on the daily chart. Now on the daily chart here, NAS 100 USD was approaching a level which was more like an all-time high for some time now. It has been trading below this level, and this candle, this let me zoom in a bit so that we'll have this much clearer. So we had this candle, this daily candle, blowing up these highs, and of course we had some retrace, and we tapped back into this level before we had this wild run to the upside. So this was like one of our best trade setup that we took for this week, and of course it was what made our week much profitable. So yeah, these are like a simplistic way which we approach the market, and we take trade entries, and we get out when the momentum um, hits our target and all of that. So basically most of our trade signals has been on a steady bang. So we usually take these trades once the volatility kicks in. We take out some of these positions, and we take out the risk by moving stop loss to break even and all of those things in between. So away from the recap here, let's take a look at how the market is looking like before we head into the new month. So if we head over to the Forex folder, we'll be looking at DXY for starters. So DXY, let's head over to a monthly chart. Now DXY on the monthly here, we can see that we have tapped into this level here, and the month closed bullish. This is a strong bullish candle for the month. So we'll be looking at a much stronger dollar as we head into the trading week. And this is not a holistic call out that I'm giving here on DXY. DXY is usually like my kind of indicator that I use to um, gauge if I'm taking dollar related trades or not. And this might turn out to be like not as we anticipate. Why? Because this is the forex market, and changes do occur and they are usually spontaneous. But the time being, the lineup we're seeing here, this guy is looking to push towards this high here, which is the 106 level. And we want to also um position ourselves as these buys are kicking in, want to be in the wave to the upside. So moving on from DXY, let's take a look at um, dollar related crosses. Let's take a look at Euro USD. Now Euro USD is currently sitting at a high value area right now, very sensitive one. So this guy is pointing towards the downside. This guy is pointing toward the downside, and if you look closely here, we have lots of room to the downside, and we don't really have any significant levels that will hold off price, but rather this will be like points where we want to like take profits. This like the intermediate points between this level to this level. And here is like the parity. uh these zones which we're going to be trading around are close to the parity level. So we want to assess this with proper risk management. Now, if we narrow down, you can see that each time Euro USD collapses, we pull back. We had this collapse, we pulled back, we dropped, we pulled back, we've dropped, we've pulled back again to this level. So we want to wait for the market to show us a clear entry here before we get on to sales to tap into this level for Euro USD. Now, another more interesting trade setup that I want to share with you guys is AUD USD as well. So AUD USD is also um, giving us similar feel like Euro USD. AUD USD is currently trading around this level, and we are having price breaking out already from this long consolidation we had here. So once we start having this momentum kicking, we're likely going to tag into this level here, the 0.61955. And if you look to the left, the intermediate zones we have will be this level here, and these levels will be like our take profit levels, and where we want to like reassess and see if the markets will like give us some pullback. So if you look back to the price action we had there, we had this pullback, we retraced, drop in price, then we retraced. We had this impulse to the downside. We'll pull back, we'll drop, we'll pull back, we'll drop. Now we're waiting for that pullback, probably to this neckline again, and we'll be targeting this level. So depending on your most preferred approach to trading here, we still just have to wait for clear confirmations on this before we start jumping on um, sells to the downside. But however, this is more like a clear cut directional move that AUD is giving us. So these are like my two favorite picks as we head into the new trading week. However, there are other setups that can pop up here and there. And Monday usually for me is more like the build up for price action, and we'll probably have our trading entries getting ready during the course of the week. So to keep this video short, we just have these two pairs, and once the trading week unfolds, yeah, we'll keep you guys updated in the community with any of the changes that might occur in the market. So we're expecting major impact news like FOMC and CPI for the new month as well. So guys, do well to turn on the notification and be in the loop of updates. Shares and keep it simple.